Okay, so in part one's video, the idea of this 10-part series, I discuss how to generate ideas using several techniques that can help you brainstorm, okay? I also went through my process of how I developed the concept for leveling up your film business. If you haven't watched it yet, check it out now. Or is it on this side? Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize and structure those ideas in a project management program like Asana. But before I do that, I need to finish getting ready for the day, okay? What's up, my Diversity in Cinema Academy fam? I'm Theta Catalan, and this is the place to be if you're an aspiring filmmaker, video creator, and screenwriter. Okay, so y'all know I'm new to this whole vlogging style of filming, right? So please bear with me as I experiment with filming techniques, okay? Now, that's a real quick tip for you too now. Done is better than perfect. So if you've been on the fence about any of this media related film business, I'm here to tell you to just go for it, okay? Start experimenting. That's the whole purpose of practical exercises, so you can learn, grow, and implement new changes. Okay, so now that I slightly look the part, because you know, we still got to go set up the workstation for filming, so let's go do that. Okay, y'all know I had to go get my room temperature water before filming. Alright, well, it's cold water again. Oh, Lordy. But so, if you know, you know. Leave a comment below if you know what I'm referencing when it comes to this water. Because you know your girl be getting parched. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't done so yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button, y'all. I mean, turn on your notifications so you won't miss any of the great content I will be providing for you. Because, you know, my objective for the second quarter of 2022 is to gain 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So I really need y'all help, okay? I would love it if you could please help me get there. Plus, share my channel with anyone who finds value in the content that I'm providing. So don't be stingy, share the love, okay? Because I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, so let's get into it. So for my online course, Leveling Up Your Film Business, I used Asana's online project management software. It's the bomb, y'all. This program helps me track all of my ideas and also keeps me abreast of all priorities and deadlines pertaining to the project. So for instance, I created a project plan for leveling up your film business, and y'all, that project plan defines all my project goals, the milestones and objectives, outlining the key tasks and due dates. I'm staying on top of things, y'all. Using a project management tool like Asana, I was able to manage and execute every step of my project plan by creating task lists. And this ain't just any old task list, okay? So you're probably wondering what exactly is task management. So task management is more than a to-do list. I mean, you know, we could put our top 3 in a book, in which I do every day. I write down what I'm going to do for the day, but those are just my little everyday tasks that I'm doing. But girl, we gotta have and guys, we gotta have a real plan going, okay? So again, task management is just not that to-do list, you know? It means tracking tasks from beginning to end, delegating subtasks to contractors if you need help, and setting deadlines to make sure projects get done on time. Task management software like Asana empowers teams to work more productively and efficiently. Now, I use this project management software for my online course, and it really helped me stay on top of things. It's almost like a standard operating procedure. However, you can use this software with any project you are developing. And what's really cool about it, let me tell y'all, you can start managing your projects for free. I'll provide a link in the description box. Y'all know you want some of that, you can get it for free. Okay, now let me give you a quick demonstration of how I use this tool and how it's gonna benefit you too. Okay, so when you log into Asana, it should take you to your home page. And when you get to your home page, this is what you will see. You will see what your priorities are for the week or what's just coming up, really. And then you'll have all the projects that you have set up in Asana. So say for instance, I have leveling up your film business, which is what we're going to go over today. And then I have my social media calendar, production forms, my business plan, a cross-functional project that I'm working on, my YouTube content, and then my workbook. So since we're going to be going over leveling up your film business, I'm just going to click on that right there. And as you can see, when I click on that, it takes you to a list of all of the activities or, the tasks that needs to be completed for this project. And as you can see, I have my workbook. I have Thinkific. That's the platform that we're going to use, the online learning system that I'm going to use. Then we have my marketing that I'm going to do. And then the updates that I need to do on my website. And then just my plans for the launch itself. So a lot of times when I'm working in this, I like coming to this board section. It makes it a lot easier to see everything and maneuver everything around. You can also come to calendar and you can see everything. I guess if you want to say a bird's eye view for the month. And if you want to expand this, with weekends on. So like if you're working every day of the week, like myself, you don't see it on this calendar, but definitely my social media calendar. I work every single day of the week. But anyway, so yeah, that is what you would see. Obviously, with this, you're seeing deadlines, and I like placing my deadlines during the week, not on the weekend, just in case if I really don't want to do anything on the weekend. So anyway, let's take it back to the board so you can get an understanding of this. So the reason why I'm showing this to you today is because we was talking about ideas, right? And I wanted to show you how you can organize and structure your ideas. So once you started brainstorming and let me see if you can see this right here. When you brainstorm and you put all your ideas into your book, okay, then you can transfer that to Asana and put it all here so you can start building out a strategy for it. So say for instance, really you will start here, the course lessons. So all of my ideas that I came up with, I just started placing them here. All right, so I kind of left these here for this demonstration. I wanted you to see, like, when you miss a deadline, it's going to show in red, right? But I've actually completed all of these things here, but I wanted to leave it here for the demonstration so you can see. So once you complete a task, you just click that, check it off, boom, done, and the outline is done as well. But for this demonstration, I want to show you that. So just quickly, so I can show you how this works, you would grab this, you see how you can move it, and then you put it in the complete list, right? So easy breezy. Now we're going to come back, since we're talking about ideas. Once you came up with your ideas, you wanted to create an outline. So that is a task that you needed to do. And so you would create, a task list right here. And then you can create even more subtasks inside of that main task. So the main task is kind of like an objective. And so for here, you wanted to write out your ideas. Again, you did that. Because it's just easy. Now, if you can do all of this inside the program, then do it inside the program. But for me, I'm just, when I'm brainstorming, I just like writing it down. This stuff come to me, because everything may not come to me at once. I might be, cooking. I might be taking a shower. I might, whatever I'm doing, wherever my ideas come, I just need to have my book near me. So that's what I do. And again, if you want the Future Icon Leading Motion Picture Notebook, you can get it on Amazon. So anyway, so then you write the subtask here, you write out your ideas, then you organize the lesson ideas in Asana, which you can see right here. And then you will schedule your content on the calendar. So basically, sometimes when I just want to purge all my ideas and get them here in Asana, I just put them there. But then I'll come back and actually start scheduling stuff. So we are going to take a look. So let's just move this. Well, first of all, let's just check the outline off because we did this a long time ago. And we're going to send it over here to the complete. Okay, so I quickly just want to show you how, like, if you want to learn how to set all this up, because this is already set up and I wanted to show you what it looks like. But now let's just show you real quickly how you would set it up. So if you wanted to start something new, you see this little plus sign, create project, then you would go there, and then you would use, you can use a template, and you can scroll here, and then you can see there's a list of, product launches, business plans, work requests, so it's a bunch of different templates here that you can use. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna do a blank project, make it easy peasy. And we're going to do board. That's just the way that, however you want to start it. And then we're just going to put test here so I remember to delete this. So I'm going to do board view. And then you can start adding tasks, or you can share with teammates, or set up a workflow. So we're just going to start adding tasks. Okay, go to project. Need to hit that. As you can see right here, you can start adding your sections. Right, so this is usually how it starts off if you want to do that. So then you can put, let's just put ideas for the sake of this video, and then you would click on this and you would add whatever your idea is. Idea number 1, boom, right? And then you would click this to appoint somebody to do that. So if you had somebody else on the team that's going to execute, then you would add them there. And then right here is where you would add your due date. So we're just going to put the 27th of April. And you can choose a time. So like close of business, 5:00 p.m. And then here you can put a description if you want to. So testing, so just give an idea of what this idea is and what you would need to do. And then here, this is where you can add a subtask, test 2. And if you want to, this is where you can add again the due date, the 28th, and we'll do close of business again. And then you can choose somebody else, because if somebody else is going to do this task, you can do that if you want to. And right here you can see this is comments. So like if you have a comment on it, like if somebody else is looking at this, they can go in and leave a comment about it, and then boom, you can create another subtask under that subtask. So that's just real quick and easy, just to show you how to do it. Obviously there's a lot more to this, and if you want me to break this down even further, let me know in the comment section, because I will do another video on this. As you can see, I planned and developed over 40 course lessons that have a ton of value. I was putting in work because I'm not half-stepping for y'all. I wanted to make sure you could walk away with some executable goals. Again, that's why I created Leveling Up Your Film Business. It provides indie filmmakers with a blueprint of the business tasks that need to occur before diving into the logistics of shooting a film. Now, one of the bonuses for the course is a production management calendar. Yes, I did that for y'all. And it's for the development phase that I created right in Asana. So I will save you a ton of time on actually building out all them boards, the tasks, and calendars and deadlines and all that. Okay, you might have to create some of your own deadlines because I don't know exactly when you're going to shoot stuff or get stuff done. But it's all done for you. So who excited? I mean, I know I would be excited. Shoot, I'm just excited about just thinking about it. Ooh, love, that's a lot of work time saved for y'all. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you a glimpse of the process of creating the movie development calendar at a later date during this series. That's why y'all need to be tuned in, because I got more for y'all. Now, if you want to gain free access to Asana now, check out the link in the description box. It's free. It's free, y'all. Just check it out. The doors will be opening soon for course enrollment, so be sure to add your name to the waitlist if you want to set your production up for success. Plus, everyone who signs up for the waitlist will be the first ones to learn about VIP specials, okay? And the early bird specials and course information. I'll provide the link below, okay? Well, again, I really enjoyed creating this video, and thank you so much for tuning in. Please let me know in the comment section what was your favorite part of this video. Oh, and if you haven't done so yet, hit the subscribe button. It's right there. And turn on your notifications so you won't miss any of the great content I'll be providing for you. And if you missed my behind the scenes video for brainstorming ideas and the bonus video, yeah, it was a bonus, check check it out now. This is a part of a 10-part series that you don't want to miss, okay? It's going to tell you how to make some things happen for yourself too. All right? So be sure to follow Diversity in Cinema Academy on Instagram, where I provide even more great tips. And if you want even more resources, head on over to Diversity in Cinema Academy's website and sign up for my newsletter, where you would even get more tips and offers. Of course, while you're there, you can also check out all of the other resources like the script library. Yeah, you can be reading free scripts, the blog, and Learning Center. So again, I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.